got this box from Wyk Confections. It's famous fortune cookies. Yeah.
And we're gonna try one of these. We're gonna see which one is the best. So
Look
let's
at this
start
box.
cooking.
It looks like Chinese takeout. Got birthday cake, chocolate bits, cookies and cream, and salted caramel.
Okay, so let's open it.
Look. Whoa. Look at this envelope for your money. Look at that.
Let me get
Wait, Fallon, you want to show them?
Okay, let's show them all the flavors.
And here is cookies and cream.
Which one is this one?
This one is chocolate bits. Here is birthday cake. Whoa, that's a lot of sprinkles.
And then where's the last one? Found it.
Salted caramel.
Okay. Now we're gonna try one.
Hey, don't throw it back in there.
Which one do you want to do first? Isla, you get to pick. Which one
Let's
do you want?
do salted caramel because I know you like salted caramel.
I love caramel. Okay. Isla,
Okay.
who do you think wants to eat?
I'll read.
Yay, I get to eat.
Whoa, it feels like an actual. It is actually a fortune cookie.
Oh my cow, the inside it's actually a fortune.
This one says, when we strive to become better than we are, everything around us becomes better too.
That is awesome.
And you can get all these, you can look at all these fortunes at Wyk.com. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try a little bit. That's good. I don't normally like caramel or fortune cookies.
You don't like caramel and you like this? It's a miracle.
Chocolate bits. Wow, this one has little bitty, like circled sprinkles. Bunch of stuff is gonna go.
This time I have to read. You have to eat.
Here, you get the bigger piece.
Yay! Release negative thoughts and attract positive thoughts. Okay, time to eat. Yummy.
These fortune cookies make a lot of dicks. And do cookies and cream. And they have stuff in the box that me and Fallon likes. Like Fallon likes caramel, birthday cake, and I like cookies and cream and chocolate bit. Ready?
This time I have to eat. Yeah, great.
Oh, this one's. There we go.
Oh!
Here, take one side, whatever side. Oh. It says, if you want more time, freedom, and energy, start saying no.
Wow.
Antonyms.
That tastes
So it means
awesome.
start saying yes. That's good. It's like ice cream.
Ready for the next one? Good. Hallelujah. This one's my favorite. Birthday cake. Oh. It's a
Birthday cake.
I like have the bigger one.
Here,
with the
you get to break
sprinkles.
this time. No, you get to have that side.
Yeah. Oh.
That's so sick. This.
What the? No! It's stuck. No. I have to eat my way
Technical
through.
difficulties. Got it.
Finally, we got it out. We can't become what we need to be by remaining what we are. Anonymous. I have no idea what this is. Homonymous.
Antonyms. It says antonyms.
What? Is that like math?
Opposite.
1 plus 1 equals 2?
No, it's
3
it means
plus 3
opposite.
equals 3?
It means opposite.
We can't become what we need to be by remaining what we are. Antonyms. It says antonyms. I don't get it. That was great. This is delicious. I think my favorite was probably the cookies and cream.
Caramel.
The salted caramel.
Mm-hmm.
Comes in a pack of 60. That's a lot. So
Like-
probably never
Like, what? Thanks for watching. Goodbye.